Yo, what is up, gang? I'm back with another one, man. Yes, sir. You see me today. I'm working on the installation for my homeboy. Yeah, we're doing the starry night. Yeah, I'm out here in Tampa though. What's up there? But y'all see that? I don't know. Y'all might be able to see it, but over there, straight back that way, where the roller coaster's at. Busch Garden right there. Yeah, so I'm in the heart of Tampa. The heart of Tampa. So I'm finna show y'all what I'm getting knocked out today. I already got this headliner out. I already done ran the power, where the power gonna go. Boom. So just like that, man. You know, I'll take that up. Then I ran the power. I'm gonna run it back here. I'm gonna delete this, so it ain't gonna be one in. It's not gonna be one back here. I'm gonna run that straight to that. So when the car come on, boom, we got power. We're gonna do it like that. Ain't gotta worry about nothing. This box gonna be hidden behind this panel, you know, like that. Boom. Then the lights gonna run up to the side right here. Fiber optic cable gonna be kind of hidden back here, maybe somewhere. And that's how we gonna go. We're gonna do something custom to the headliner. It's not gonna be the Starry Night. My boy wanna do a G. He wanna do a G for Gleech. That's his nickname. Big Frank, shout out to my boy. But yeah, we about to go ahead and get this knocked out today, man. I've been out here for about an hour now. Yeah, shit, we knocking this shit out, so. Stay tuned, fuck with your boy. You wanna get some work done, hit me up, man. Like, for something like this, I'm charging him $250. Normally I charge $300, but he bought everything, so. Y'all wanna get some stars? Put in y'all shit? Fuck with me, bro. I do new cars. I do old school. Whatever you need, man. Y'all stay tuned. This gonna be a one-day job. I normally don't like to do that. I don't like to rush. But, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out today, man. I got here super early, 9 o'clock in the morning. So that means I woke up at like 6 on my time. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out for my boy. So, yes, sir. Vinyl and fabric. This is not a sponsored video. You know what I'm saying? That's like the product. My boy, we need to grab one more can. We're gonna get all that. Y'all see them dots? That's the star. He only had 150, so we can't do the G like, you know, I wanted to. But we got some, you know, we got what we can work with. If we would have had more stars, it would have been better. But the 350, the 150 lights is actually gonna be better for us. Like I was saying, the 150 piece is gonna be better because it won't be as bulky when I have to go back to run the wires or the fiber optics down, and everything will look good. I think it'll still look good once it's done, how we have everything. So I went ahead and knocked them out. Gonna put one more coat over it, and we bang bang boom, bing bong, going. It's going up, man. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, I'm finally done. Like I said, it's a one-day thing, one-day job. Your boy knocked it out, man. Your boy knocked it out. Y'all see that? Black sunroof. Black. We got the black headliner. Whoo! Whoo! My boy got that, bitch. Where the remote at? Where the remote at? Did he take the remote? Don't know. But anyways, guys, y'all see that, man. Y'all see that. Boom. Yes, sir. Brought to you by. And I'm telling you, I got more shirts. It's gonna be, hey, just stick with me. 2022, we going up, baby. We going up, baby. We going up.